Good morning students. In previous class we have learnt division of two-digit numbers. Now in this class let us learn about division of three-digit numbers. Okay, division of three-digit numbers without regrouping. Look here children, for example 484 divided by 4 is there. 484 divided by 4. Here dividend is 484 and this 4 is the divisor. Okay, so we'll write like this. Here in the middle we'll write dividend 484 and here we'll write divisor 4. Okay, now to do this problem we have to get 4 table. Yes. Okay, look here, when we are doing divisions we have to do from this side. So what is the digit here? S. What is here? 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4. So we can write this one here. 4 ones are 4. Okay, now we have to do subtraction. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we have to take this second digit here down. Okay, what is here? 8. We will take 8 here. Okay, in fourth table we will get 8. Yes, when we get 4 2s are 8 2s are. So we'll write 2 here. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Up to here we have completed, but here one more digit is there, so we'll take that digit also here. Okay, now 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, this is remainder. What quotient we got here? 121. 121. Quotient is equal to 121. Okay, this is answer. Like this you have to do. Now I will explain one more example for you. Okay, for example, second example, 246 divided by 2 is there. 246 divided by 2. 246 divided by 2. Here 246 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. Okay, 246 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. So we'll write like this. 246 in the middle and 2 here. Okay, to do this problem we have to get 2 table. Now look here, in 2 table we'll get 2. Yes, when we get 2 ones are 2, so we'll write 1 here. 2 ones are 2. Now we have to do subtraction. Okay, now we'll take this 4 here down. 2 minus 2 is 0, so we'll take 4 here down. Now in 2 table we'll get 4. Yes, when we get 2 2s are 4, so we'll write 2 here. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we'll take this 6 here down. Okay, 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. We got 0 remainder, and this 123 is a quotient. Q is equal to 123. Okay, R is equal to 0. You can do check also by multiplying these two. If you multiply these two and add this, then you have to get this. If you get this answer, then this problem is correct. You can do check for these problems also. Okay, now I will explain one more example. For example, 363 divided by 3 is there. 363 divided by 3. Okay, look here, we'll write 363 middle and 3 here. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, now we'll take this 6 here down. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, 6 minus 6 is 0. So we'll take these 3 here. Again 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, what quotient we got? As Q is equal to 121 and R is equal to 0. Remainder is 0. Like this you have to do 3 digit divisions. Okay, now I will explain one more example. Look here children. For example, 777 divided by 7 is there. 777 divided by 7. Okay, to do this problem we will write like this: 777 7. Okay, 7 ones are 7. 7 minus 7 0. Okay, now we will take this 7 here down. Again 7 ones are 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Now we will take this 7 again here down. Okay, 7 ones are 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Okay, what answer we got? Quotient is equal to 111 and remainder is equal to 0. Okay, I will say 2 points for you. Remember, this is 3 digit number 1 2 3. Yes, if you get 3 digit number, then you will get quotient 3 digit numbers, and this you will do subtraction also 3 times. Okay, here 3 digit number you will do subtraction also 3 digit number, and quotient you will get also 3 digit number. Look here, for the first one also it is also 3 digit number, so we got quotient 3 digit number, and here this is also 3 digit number, so we got quotient 3 digit number. This is also 3 digit number, so we got 3 digit number as quotient. Now this is also 3 digit number, so we got quotient also 3 digit number. Okay, I hope you understood these problems. These are division of 3 digit numbers without regrouping. Look here children, I will give some problems for you, some questions like these. You have to do the problem. Okay, you can do check also. Okay, what is the formula for check? S divisor into quotient plus remainder equal to dividend. Multiply these two, 111 into 7 plus add this 0. Okay, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So we'll get this divided. If you get divided, then the answer is correct. If you not get divided, then the answer is wrong. Okay, I will give 10 questions for you on this division of 3 digit numbers without regrouping. Okay, you have to do the problem and do check also there only. Okay, thank you.